In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relink offline media in Davinci Resolve 19, an easy tutorial that will get you back on track in just 5 minutes. If you've ever opened a project in Davinci Resolve only to find some, or even all of your media files showing as offline, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we're here to solve that problem today. Whether your files were moved to a different location, renamed, or perhaps your drive letter has changed, this step-by-step process will guide you through relinking them effortlessly. To get started, you'll first want to open Davinci Resolve. If you're new to it, Davinci Resolve is a professional editing software developed by Blackmagic Design, offering robust features for video editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production. Now, once you're in the application, the first thing you'll do is click on the Projects tab. Here, you'll be able to view a list of your existing projects. Go ahead and select the project with the offline media issue that you want to fix. With your project open, navigate to the Edit page. This page is fundamental to any editing work you might be undertaking and offers a plethora of editing tools. You'll find the Edit page option within the main toolbar, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up all the tracks and edits you've been working on. Once you're on the edit page, your next step is to access the media pool. This is where all your project's media files are housed, both online and offline. To do this, simply click on the media pool option located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will display all the media that Davinci Resolve is attempting to reference for your project. At this stage, you might notice some files marked as offline, often indicated by a red warning icon. Don't let this discourage you, as the fix is just a few clicks away. Look for the Relink media icon within the media pool. This essential tool allows you to direct Davinci Resolve to the correct location of your media files on your system. After clicking the Relink media icon, you'll be prompted to navigate your file directory. Simply find the location where your media files are currently stored. This could be a different folder on your device, an external hard drive, or even a network location. Once you locate the folder, select it, and Davinci Resolve will automatically attempt to relink all offline media files. And there you have it, you've successfully relinked your offline media in Davinci Resolve 19. Remember, keeping your files organized and consistently stored in the same location can prevent this issue in future projects. Now, you're all set to continue editing without any interruptions. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.